Let's take a look at what is developing from the nation's capital, Abuja, where the Supreme Court has asked the appeal court to determine the case that is going to effectively determine who will run as a PDP candidate on Saturday's election. As it stands, Mr. Jimoh Ibrahim is the candidate of the PDP, the People's Democratic Party. You know, there are a lot of contestation in court over that matter. But again, as appeal court has put a pause on its judgment and asked the Supreme Court to determine where to go from there. Today, a 5-member panel of justices of the Supreme Court has dismissed an application by the Alimodo Sharif-led People's Democratic Party asking it to evoke its disciplinary powers and disqualify the panel of the appeal court hearing the Ondo State PDP candidacy appeal. In the application, counsel to the Sharif-led PDP, Mr. Beluolisa Unwufo, asked the court to set aside the November 16, 2016 proceedings of the Court of Appeal for being a nullity. He argued further that the appellate court ought to have state proceedings on the matter, having notified of an appeal against a decision at the Supreme Court. But the decision of the Supreme Court earlier today is in favor of Mr. Eyitayo Jegede, in this sense that the appeal court should go ahead and determine the case. Afterwards, we will know what the appeal court will stand on this matter. Whatever the judgment of the appeal court may go down to determine who runs as a party flag bearer for the People's Democratic Party.